Most people think that the body is just there. But what if I told you that the body is constantly rebuilding itself and breaking itself down every single day? Now, that doesn't happen by random. That's by design. Inside your skeletal system, there's 3 main types of cells. Inside your skeletal system, there's 3 main types of cells. There's the osteoblast that builds them, the osteoclast that breaks them, and the osteocytes that helps regulate the process. So while you're going by your day, your body's constantly adapting and repairing and maintaining itself. So when you really think about it, right, your body doesn't resist change. It adapts to it. My name is Ederly Jimenez. I am a physical therapist assistant who spent years studying anatomy and physiology and teaching it. I didn't start off good. I struggled. I failed exams. I had to figure out a better way to learn. What changed for me was not just studying harder, but learning how to break things down, understand them, and teach them back. Now, this channel is about making anatomy, physiology simple, not by memorizing structures, but actually understanding how the body works. Because once you understand it, everything becomes clearer. If you're here to learn and study, welcome. You found the right place. Once you get to learn some of these key features on this bad boy, and this guy over here, we're gonna get down to other things. We're gonna get down to the muscles, organs, and even more. So stay tuned.